Alright, so trying to get some flex with these Bushwacker fender flares on here. As you can see, the back tire is clear off the ground.
Got the new bumper on there from Goliath Off Road.
Front, man, there's a ton of room in the front with these size tires on it. The rear, thing looks like it's a freaking lowrider. Hey, what's up, man? Yeah, it's looking great.
This is a 2-inch budget boost lift on 245, 75, 16-inch tires.
Yeah, plenty of room up in here.
Unfortunately, the bumper is a stock width, and it does not fit the Bushwacker fender flares. It is about a ½ inch short on each side. Subscribe, like, and comment, and check out my upcoming videos. I will be posting videos on all the installs.